In this video, I will show you how to connect Flipgrid as an external tool in your Canvas course. Start out by entering the course that you want to add the tool to. Scroll down, and along the left-hand side, you'll find Settings. Click on it. Along the top of the page, you'll see Course Details, Sections, Navigation, and Apps. Click on Apps. And then you're going to want to filter by name. Type in Flipgrid, and you'll see the icon will appear. Go ahead and click on Flipgrid, and you'll notice a blue button with white letters that says Add App. Go ahead and click on that. And you'll notice now that there are two windows that need your attention, a consumer key and a shared secret. To get those numbers, you need to go out to your actual Flipgrid account. So I'm going to open up a new tab, and I can do that by going to google.com, and if I search for Flipgrid, it will take me to their homepage. Now, if you've never signed up for a Flipgrid account before, you will have to go through the sign-up process one time. I already have a Flipgrid account, so I'm going to click on Educator Login. And I'm going to log in with my Google login. Make sure you select the West Jefferson Hills School District. And once this page loads, in the upper right-hand corner, you'll notice your name, and then there's a drop-down menu. Click on to show the drop-down menu and select Integrations. You'll notice Flipgrid plus Canvas comes up on mine. You can add new integrations if you would like to other programs. So I'm going to copy this consumer key by clicking the Copy button. I'm going to go back to my Canvas course tab, click in the consumer key field, and paste that number. I'm going to flip back to the Flipgrid tab and copy my shared secret. Go back to your Canvas course, paste, and click Add App. You'll notice now that Flipgrid is listed under the installed external apps. You're now ready to use Flipgrid as an external tool within some of your modules. I will show you in another video how to integrate that into a page.